Hey, hey, ta, Kenna Chama Boy. And that's because Mokasi, Bampita Chama Boy. I'm the official CEO of Chama Boy's Life Services and Heart Repairs. Ish, being a Chama Boy is such a difficult job. Like people pay me to fix their broken hearts and their messy relationships. Others pay me so they can kopanse those beautiful chicks. Wabatsi, Popo Titi, Libo Zinandem Fenyal. Yo, one thing I can really link up with that offender, get a perfect relationship. That's why I always encourage my clients. Hey Luna, never be afraid to make mistakes. Obanana, ke frustana te, bari bitsa, di shimana. This how banyana. Obana teo. They are my biggest client.
Do you think I'm desperate?
Sanjit, what's the guitar? What do you do?
I go and get food.
Avon, is it because you are a glutton?
No, it's because I'm hungry.
Avon, can't take you about that. It's one little rato. Who about the rato? You go out and get it. One sort.
Yeah.
Like in that need, we want. Since we feel up.
I'm a girl, hey?
I will like it all away. Bon, Musadi of Musadi. These days, since we're going to down, what them to how? One sort. I mean, you have eyes, you have ears, madam, really, you know, you have feelings. No?
That's not the way I was brought up. You know, it feels uncomfortable being here and doing this.
Yeah, man, that's why Utlamuru, Namo, Chama Boy, Love Services and Heart Repair. Understand?
You're right, eh?
Nagi plagel right.
I like you, Chama Boy. You know, it feels like I've known you forever.
I'm done. Bon. Then no man go for a star. Like, Nka Bualo and anything. Joe Marish. Guess what?
What?
Nago to let them to
Really? Do you have a picture of him or something?
What's again? We don't meet the cook up on Salia. But one thing I'll promise you, we don't feel like a halum.
Serious?
Serious.
Okay.
Bon, what's happening, Nasane? Man of the match. Go to let them on the moon blind.
Ejo, dala ngitshela ukuthi mina ayingifuni cherry jo. Abana abashare bayahluba bafuna etime, bafuna amazipho then bafuna inhluthu. Angishabi mina.
Joe, can you grant?
Ubani?
Ukhaya.
Jo, ejo akuthi mina ngiyabhalela ukuthola ishare. Ejo, mina ngathola noma ngimuphi ishare engimfunayo. It's just that angimfuni jo ngigrade.
Ya, mfana. Wena mfana khalo untule bari. Uswana istrike aranyana tsetsa o credit ba tlo duma o kora di goal tse tese. Mara mthathe mo tshaborela go dipaleng mfethu. Emona, you must open your heart mfethu re kopa le chiritse grand. O tshwanetse mfethu gore o bule pelo ya gago mfethu o invite machenzi mfethu.
O tshwanetse o etsa.
Ntwana man, you must meet this chick man. Ba re ke mang e khani mfethu. Bona, ngwana ke mokupile wa le requirement tsa hae.
Requirements. I don't care if he smokes or drinks.
Yeah.
I don't care if unali mukaba. I don't care if you drive a taxi. All I want is a guy who knows his self-worth, who doesn't need any approval from anyone. Hence, he can appreciate me.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, fana githi. Ke a wow woman. A wow woman. Bona.
Mara lokhanya nakhona ngathi I mean sengathi umature nyana ngathi unengcodo.
So?
I mean like usharp vele.
Mwana o grand mfethu. Bona jo. Nanga kopansita date le ngwana for 4 o'clock.
Mara yafana ndakuthi mina jo I mean anginazi impahla kulezi zifensi
Ka wala ka dimpatla mfethu wa bona re jile masela mfethu. Re tla wa dima jo.
Okay. So now uzoba khona da.
Hayi namfana. Ke tla fitla ka ma4 mara before that mfethu. Sanzo kopa le medinyane nngwe so for date nyana wa itse.
Yo emara wena ubala yo Andisa no Sylvia.
Ke ngwana mo di trete nyana so ba re ke rose. Hey kopa le na ko pating man after ke khawana le cheri la ba re ke mampa Phumzile. Hey,
Ukubane no Phumzile.
Phumzile ke taba tsa khale mona. Hey, my Rosie yena ntwana. Hayi, troopers from the ancestors.
I mean, that's why angafuni is involved nendaba zakho. Lezo thanda amashare too much.
Hey, badimo ba ka ba mphile troopers monna ke a itsena tabe.
Cutie pie. So, what's cooking after baking?
Hello? Really? Are you serious? Wow, okay. Thanks. Bye.
LOL.
What?
One cutie pie.
It's no one.
Yeah, seems like everyone is in love except me, the slow one. Love? Kanye, let me give you advice, ne?
Thanks, but no thanks. I don't need advices right now.
Shem, it's not even gonna cost you anything. Ne? Never ever be in a relationship with someone that you love. Always be in a relationship with someone that loves you, so that they will do anything you want them to, Shem.
And that is like the best advice ever. Where do you get this wise advices, Vel?
Sweetheart, you must read sometimes.
Read Facebook statuses and tweets, ne? I see.
Read real books, proper books, mood.
Hey, which books do you read when? Do you even know the titles?
As if I'll go around memorizing titles to impress you. I don't have to prove anything to you.
Scaro, you and books, Ratsuru Kisona, the gay lesbian, the Jola. I live Shagan, Laganyani. Anyway, girls, enjoy your secret date.
You guys have it all wrong, okay? Like, it's not what you think. Cutie Pie is just a friend and he's just helping me with something.
Something.
Well, I can't tell you guys just yet. Anyway, I have to love and leave you guys. I have something very important to do later.
She's blushing.
Me blushing. Look, Lerato, did you take your pills this morning?
She's so in love.
Arab Skip said, maybe she found herself one of those taxi drivers.
And then Wena and your Mr. Guy. Come on.
Who cares about that, Wena? Looks don't count. They don't buy you airtime. Wena, what's your money? My man is taking me to Rose Bank. Will you believe it? Rose Bank.
Look her straight into the eye. Stand firm. Chin up. And then breathe. Hi. Igama lami Franklin, but bangibiza hi. Igama lami Frank. Sawona sisomuli. I mean igama lami Frank. Hayi igama lami Frank wena umkhanyi ne. Nice meeting you, Khanyi. Eita. Hola.
Ta-da.
Man, when I'm happy,
Ke eng yano?
when I'm mama, you this thing Rose Bank.
Man, Rosie, man, uncle relax wena man.
Man, then you told me we're going to Rose Bank, not Rose Skangale.
Hayi man nafasi. Bona.
What's so special about this?
Baby, the nothingness. Bona. We are everything in this moment, Robin. Let's just have a picnic. Sit in silence and listen to the sounds of our heartbeats.
Hi, man, I want to go to Rose Bank. At home. Don't you know how to be romantic? You don't watch TV, wena. Aye. Mandla, you have to treat a lady right.
Phone. Bona, re ke tse kgolone. Abo, the one. No. Hello?
Congratulations. You just made me look like a desperate fool.
Bona, how's it going there?
How's everything? Well, you're not here, and your Romeo's not here either. I'm sitting here looking like a desperate fool. You know what? I knew that I should have tried internet dating and not your stupid business.
What?
What? Is that all you gotta say?
Kanye.
They say you can take a guy out of the township, Mara, yes, sis. The guy will always be the township.
Sawubona.
Hello, Betty.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngakusiza.
Ngisacela amaqanda ayi-3.
Okay. That will be 6 rands, eh?
What?
Thank you.
Yeah. Hello. Hey, man of the match. Yeah. Hey, mfethu. Kanti ukokayo mfethu.
Hayi mfana yile address onkayo yona bo.
He? He mona, una le date mfethu. Kanti kinga wena mfethu. Ke, ubathomosha business yakhe mfethu.
Yeah, ngiyambona lawyer, but yo, mfana there's this new signing, yo, man, this girl is hot, mfethu.
Ne. He mona, sheba mona. Sheba mona. He mona ntona mona ke penalty man of the match mona. Bona ntona phela kuetsa phela ukora mfethu. Kanti ujwang mfethu man. Come on man ntwana. Please man.
Hayi lo, ayazi ngizokufonela later Jone.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, no sharp.
Kangikwatisa uthina. Kansinyesa business. Kanye. Ayo bona tseking. Sorry ne.
Save it.
Mfethu re ke explain nyana at least.
We're explaining. It's fine. I get it. I'm not good enough for you and your friend.
Ay man, bon, you are good enough, Joe. You are more than good enough, Joe. Ubungutle, Joe. You are beautiful.
Then why is he?
What's that game, Joe? I think it's better we share the price side, Joe. Bonak's free. Tell her.
Oh my gosh! It's you!
Yeah, bo. Nick, what to explain? I want to keep it for
No, I have a better explanation.
Mara, who has a date in the bushes anyway? Imagine updating my status. Just checking in Elskangeni. Who's gonna like that? I'm not even gonna get any comments.
Abon, that's why next nyake boyfriend te bophelong baka. I mean, ke tlo tikela sekolong, ka kry masters, ka reka ntlo, my car, and then I live my life.
I mean, I don't even love Mandla. I don't even know him. He's a nobody.
nna ke tseba bashimanyana ba bantši ba ba leng petere o phala yena nna banna ba nnyaka phela my pictures they get 100 likes handla ke mang le koloinyana ya hae e nnyane sure my friend your eye what happened
Your friend ke me nako telele tšatši wena ebile ba mpitile ka bolo.
Hi guys.
Khanyisile. Are those love bites?
Yeah, let's just hope that's where it ended. But you know, clever girls, they fall in love and get the ring, man. Stupid girls, they fall in love and get pregnant.
Do you guys have to spoil everything?
Ha! Well, Clever, you slept with them, didn't you?
No. Unlike you, I know that love is L-O-V-E and lust is L-U-S-T. And honey, I don't get lost in between.
Oh, Shem, I'm happy for you.
You don't need to be. You're not exactly my friend. You're Darato's friend.
You're gonna let her talk to me like that?
Mothomile mos.
Oh, okay. Ghana blood is better than water.
And juice is thicker than soda.
Anyway, Kaz, tell us about the guy. He look cute. Let's see the pictures.
What bench?
It's none of your business. Anyway, I'll organize a chila sinyana. Maybe no one was telling Umuntu I wanna cuz.
Umuntu, Kaz, you have no idea what happened today.
What happened?
Ifana ngiplaneka mnali dileng. Bring strategy jo 442. Mangiloko ngimlandela jo. Ngiyayiplan ukuthi okay ngiyothi 1, athi 2, ngithi 3, athi 4. But mangifika la jo. Angeke kwenzakaleni mfana ngithole ngi-offside la.
No, ntwana. Ere go chale something. Ka ofela rona re ka se nne bo majoro, bo masango so. Answer. Re ka se nne ra dlala ko pele ka ofela. Some of us have to play defense and others have to sit on the bench. Ba shebe di star players di dlala ka mahare ka da. Answer.
He couldn't string 2 words together.
Ay, Lily Benten. He pretty Lily Benten.
Jeez. Cause manje kwenzakaleni ke?
Yo, Kaz, Mfranco. I mean, ngathi mkakathi lo muntu. What kind of a name is that, Mfranco?
Yeah, Kaz, who cares about a name? As long as akuthanda.
In love, Kaz. Yo, yazi ngantoma ngangigijimisa mangafika nomfana ufana nomfranco ekhaya.
oh no no my friend tell us sharp exactly what happened
Chomi, it was so stupid. Moto, Oran Feria. You know what? Look, I mean, get no man to the joy. I mean, in this decade, Moto Feria saw it.
oh wait
I was just trying to be cool, Joe.
Cause when I was to see Romos, Moto, cousin. I'm talking about Linda, we are poor.
Melosh athi
Ah, Kaz is jealous.
It was so stupid. I was like, look, ngifuna ukutshela yona like uyangihlanyisa. I mean, ngalesi isikhathi uyangihlanyisa, usahlanyisa umuntu. Bekshot ukuthi angitshela ishota nge-driving license like
Anyway, we got back to the chat, but it went flat, Joe. I mean, fierce is not even the right word to describe what she was.
Because I think you're that guy. That guy
But then I think he loves you, eh?
He loves me, cause when I loves Utando, cause I mean like that guy, yo, cause.
my friend he needs to go and find a friend
But that king when we made a cow, you know that guy, yo, wasn't sorry, he's not my type. Yo, nyabong, shame.
But at last, I told her what I need. That baby, I need you as much as I need an air to breathe.
I'm sure he thought kutungena ngala line waka Manhattan's no Perry Whites. Umuntu at baby, I want to say these 3 little words. Baby, I love you. I mean, it's not even 3 words.
And then I expected her to tell me, what's okay, Joe, I love you, or no, I don't love you. But Joe, guess what she said?
Antoine, seems like Manoka some career. You're out of your league, man.
Muna. It's uyakhumula ko standard 8 mangitholela uthuli. Why ungashaya izinto zakho vye?
Hayi man. Utlwa yiphi? Hasi standard 8 mona. Understand? When it's like in fetu, you need to learn 2 things. Think is like to that on gale kwa. Firstly, ntwana. Go shela ngwanyana. Go tsana le racha essay. When the introduction, we have the body and you have the conclusion in fetu. Hey fetu, I love you. In the introduction,
Joe, I mean, mina bengizama uba honest.
Hey man.
Just make mina ngifuna udlala lezi zinto zakho zama games nama tricks nanani.
Okay, fine. it brings me to the second point. Bon, gore cherry ya go believer go e tshela rwa frostana or bjang. It's not important. Ha sa o rate, ha o rate.
Angizwisisi kanjani manje. I mean bengicabanga ukuthi abosheri bafuna ukuthandwa jo.
Yeah. Bona ba batla go ratiwa mfethu wa bona mara lo ka morata o feta ka mkhwa ratang ke time la ka teng mfethu ha e matter ntwe yo
Mama mina ngiyomele yenzeni ngoba ngazi ngezinto lezi uzikhulumayo
Ntwana, that's why Chama Boy Love Services and Repairs is here to help you mfana Wanzwa
ngiyakuthola
Yo, happy my friend, motho o broke bjang. Ha ke na le sepe sa o tlhatswa diaparo ja. Ha ke na mokgwa. Yo, le sa night yone le di opala.
Ai wena o dula o balabala everyday.
Ha ke balabale ke di o botsa nnete.
Ke ne go tlhatswa first ke practicing.
Tlhatswa fast o tlhatswa le ditsaka wa bona. Eng? Tlhatswa fast o tlhatswa le ditsaka. Ke re wa mpotsa ja o botsa gore a ke na next. Ke ile go sa lonyela mshimenelo mpotsa gore account ya ka wa itswalla ka nnete. Di dress tsa ka di bona. Miriri se di gola. Yo,
Mara wena mara o mpushise go botsa ke ne go tlhatswa first.
Mapili. Yo, man down 10,000. 100,000. Yo, my friend. Yo, God ya moriri.
A ke kushise re wa isentse re mantla a go romele 1,000.
Why ya san rumele 1,000? Gape bona counter di 0. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 ke 1,000. Yes, is bona wa WhatsApp.
Wena wa thaba nka re o tshepishitse lenyalo.
Yo, I'm outside. E re ke tsamayele. Phelo ka montle.
Jole wa shina gago.
Nthaketse kwa shinyewe wena. Au.
Wena o kushise tsa mara.
You were right, but I never listen. Kubanyik mamele kancane, you should have listened. You're wrong now, something's missing. Mamele already crying in the kitchen.
So, did you like my surprise?
Yes, I did. It made my day. What's the matter?
Yeah, well, and I was thinking maybe we could go to my house. I have an even bigger surprise there.
Serious? Yeah. I can't wait.
It's when the rules. Okay, sorry, feeling too today. Sorry.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah. Chama la mambela. Ingane zayifela.
Come on. Lerato, confidence. If you serve them like that, you're giving them a chance to kill us when they retaliate. You understand? You understand what I'm talking about?
It's our coach.
Hola, Skotani. Hola.
Sure. Bengizocela ujoin coach.
All right. All right. No, you can take off your clothes and get on the field.
Sure.
Chebe puta sitting and you mem.
Amayibuzo ubani lo?
All right, somebody give Iskotani the ball so we can see what we can do about it.
No coach, I think with the team.
Come on.
Oh, girl, you got me tripping. And I'm falling in love.
All right, come on.
Your heart is like a prison. I'm the hostage of your love.
Come on, you can't laugh at your teammate like that. You guys are the same team.
Coach ubiki bolo owangayiblock.
Coach put him on another team and ngimfuni kule team
I can't put him on another team. You guys are teammates are supposed to work together, right?
ngimfuni kule team lo.
Wena ngitshelile ukuthi inetshuzana la benza join.
Oh, yes, coach.
Oh, listen, guys. Lerato, come on, man. You're on the same team. As a matter of fact, you should teach him how to serve since you know it all. All right, clearly there's a history between you guys.
No, coach. Agna history between us and Logan yaphinde kwenze.
No, coach. I mean, Peg, she's not in my league, Joe.
What?
Oh, okay. Listen, man. If you are here to mess up with my teammates and just Moshe Onkinte Sienzala, you better leave right now, man.
Nkazomosha, coach. I just want to play.
All right, if he's here to play, when ngama feelings wako and all this attitude, just put it on the gate.
But coach,
Mongenela, right?
uhlekise ngami lo.
Leave it outside when you get in here. Let's play, guys. Come on, back to position. All right, scoreboard 14 all. Game set. Serve.
And now I'm going stupid. I'm stupid.
Imani, unzani nje uyangilimaza. Come on. Ngizokela nama amesh jo. Uyangibona kanti wena. Angibona ukuthi zakimi.
You need to communicate. What's wrong
Akhothi
with you guys?
ngimtshelile ukuthi manje uyabona ukuthi ibhola izakimi unamehlo kanti wayangangidedeli.
Maybe limi lakhe lirumelene njengayo lizolo.
All right, guys, come on, let's go.
Ah, come on guys, let's go, man.
Go. Wow, nice one, Lerato. Those are welcoming sentiments that will earn you 6 more rounds. Let's go.
Sontwana, and then?
Fine. Le plan yakhe ngeke isipane, Joe. Emna lo mntana she hates me. HATEME. Uyangizonda, Joe.
Mfana, that's a good thing. That's a good thing.
Now.
That's
Good
a good
thing.
thing. Yeah.
Good thing, yeah.
Hate is good, mfana hate.
Ini?
Wabona hate mfana. It describes come on dictionary as a strong feeling of dislike.
Come on, Joe. Joe. In fact, I'm going to get a games wakho, Joe. I mean, it doesn't make sense. How do I say I love her and the next thing I'm going to do?
Man. What's the movie?
Then yini into engizakuyenza yini?
Mfana.
Yini into engiyenzako then?
Hayi ntwana, you are making her realize gore oh frustana wona. And I had saving to already.
By making her to hate me.
Then utlo nna fa sa iputsa question. Gore mara like why ke hloile di mane so? Understand? At that point mfana, we are planting that seed of doubt in her mind. And then very slowly we start watering it until this beautiful rose blossoms mfana.
You think so?
I know so mfana.
What's ganja?
Antoine, a whole lot of time around Clear Raymond. And it took them years to get our mothers to love them, Fana. So when I'm not going to maybe after just a year, are they out too serious? Say, hey, I give up. What's her maker when? But when that's only a fertile place in Fana. You must take your time. You must water it in Fana. And after a while, you're sharp. That's the patience. Had be raking Fana. Mona Fana. Who's manipulation.
Oh, ngiyathola. Ngizona mfana genius ne. So siyakhona ukumanipulate didn't. Mfana wena ufana nozini dating, Joe. Angitshela Joe. Le date yakho no Rose Vanja.
Rose?
Yeah.
Rose kumshapile wena not mfana.
Serious ndoda? Yeah. Abaro ntswe wena. Yo. Man ngicela ungisize Joe, ngicela usize kurala. Angitshele from now senzani ke?
Abana mfethu.
Yeah.
Into esimple mfethu.
Yeah.
Re kena mo ntse tsa social network da.
Sure.
Abona.
On my Facebook
post. Yeah, re batla di post. Sure. Because they don't do fire. Do fire.
I'll check it out.
Yeah, o tlo check chumisa.
Wow, he is hot.
My friend, these pictures are hot, but no one ever looks like what they look like on social pages.
Wait. I think I saw my name. Scroll down. Scroll.
Don't care who says what. Lerato is the most beautiful girl in the township. Kazi. Wait, look at this one. That awkward moment when you're looking in the eyes of the girl that you like and can barely string 2 words together. This guy is so in love. Woo, he loves you, he loves you, he loves you, he loves you.
I mean, I don't like him. I'm one of those girls who are easily charmed by his sweet words. A grounding. I tell a coach good I'm not on his league. I mean, like a guy like Franco, une league Jekon.
Lerato.
What? Marco is all a grounding, guys. Yo.
That's the way you carry on, ne? I'll just swear to you like this guy.
Mina, like him. You.
OMG! I don't believe this. Look at this, look. All these pictures and posts. They're all recent, my friend. I mean, right after he talked to you. Oh, see, go back previous months, there's nothing. And then over Sunday, he has all this to say about you. Something. So, he wants her to see them. He knows she's going to see them. It's like that movie. Kind of was it? Two can fall in love or something. Rose.
Yeah, don't know what's working. I know I get you research here. I'm first time. Methods I can fit to the fail. And the Gokarin Naki, Jose Mourinho.
Jose Mourinho, Pacho Manga, hasn't done for years with the Echo. I can't go to Ganjan with the 1864. Lavantana about 88. Like that was a Facebook joke.
Sure. It's totally simple. I agree over religion. Sure. Lily love. I don't take it common. It's simple. On first time. Macheri, over to validate. On first time.
Hard, but not young life again.
No, over validate and done. Kuri unknown to stroke ego sabo like one sorry grab. It's only so bold. Like you lady our moving around Fanagiti, like our first time to response grand. What up? Yeah, took it bua.
Yeah, now I'm done. I don't know after practice.
I am. The block. Yeah, Rato? What in bed? Yeah, Kim Franco. Give me out.
Oh, you know.
I'm Tiba. Oh.
Yeah, I'm joining volleyball.
Hey,
So, to me, how to Alma?
I'm talking. Tiaga in a mood.
How, Rat? Why did I do double date? So,
Double date?
Yeah.
With this guy. Over my dead body.
Rat, what's wrong with him?
Lerato, bona man. We enjoy session of Fanda again.
When I'm in trouble, she really likes to don't give up on him.
Okay,
Give up.
Okay, you think viable? So when I late.
All right. Oscar, she said I'm to win a trophy again. Sure.
I'll make sure it happens, ne?
Yeah.
Go up on it.
All right. Bona, didn't you go fire? Can I spend a Fanda again?
Okay.
Mara would say come comfort. I go Panaga double date.
For sure.
Sure, man.
Bye.
Sharp.
All right. Oh, well. Look who decided to pitch today. Guys, can you give Rose a huge round of applause for pitching today? Nice. All right, since you are bored enough to pitch today, you are suspended for 5 games.
Mara coach.
What?
That's not fair, coach.
Oh, you're expecting life to be fair. That's like expecting people not to talk about you. Okay, right, people, gather around. Today's practice will be a little bit different. I've realized that we have trust issues in this team, so you guys need to learn to rely on each other, right? This is a team sport, so you need to be together in that sense. So, Skotani, today, your partner will be Miss Lerato here.
Yeah?
So, yeah. Let's get the show on the road.
Coach, can show something?
Oh, yeah, you can say something, but after practice. So, yeah, your brother told me what you're going to say, but we're just going to get the show in motion. Let's go! Control! Keep the plan. On your teammate. Let's go!
Right.
No. Give me 10 now.
Yeah, 10.
Both of you. Nami. Yeah. Down now. Come on. Corner, Lerat. What kind of push-ups are those? Give me squats now. No, keep on.
Lerato ena wa ropa. Hapo firisha bana bang.
All right, guys, this is how it's gonna go down. The guys at the front will fall, and the ones at the back will catch. You understand? So you guys fall anywhere you want to fall on the other guys. Eventually, they will catch you. I hope.
If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting.
Time after time, I wait.
Time after time.
Are you guys for real?
Time after time.
All right, let's go.
Wait, Coach Benkalubuza. Mele siwe.
Yeah, you are supposed. Isn't that what I just said to you right now? Will you fall, or do you trust it?
No, Coach.
Exactly. That is the whole purpose of the practice. All right. So now let's go, guys. Let's do this. Come on, guys. Increase the distance. One more time. All right, game face. Let's do this. All right. Let's go. Go! Ah, come on. All right, okay, guys. Want us to do this the hard way? All right, we'll do it the hard way. Let's go! Yeah, right. You guys are gonna sit here and you guys are gonna talk. I'm gonna give you exactly 20 minutes and I'm gonna go over there and shoot some hoops. When I come back, you guys need to know everything about each other.
Ramara coach saskisi.
What? Sorry, what? First of all, how are these other guys supposed to take us seriously when you guys are busy gallivanting doing what you're doing over there?
So you need the military, Coach. What are we supposed to
Look,
ask?
listen, you can ask each other anything, your parents, your visions, your goals, whatever. As long as when I come here, you guys are bonded and you just, look, listen guys, you know what to do. Just ask him any question. Come on.
Why not to my abuser?
Yo can young first. Okay, so you take me cheap ne njenga one of your tiki lines lo mhagi kuzo the stall.
Ihle khona nje ukuthi ngibani Lerato. I mean abo misolda abasuzi perfume Joe.
Uyazi uyangiyanisa.
Nami yangitina. I mean the problem is ukuthi wena mama's baby Joe. You know that's the problem usichuzana ke. Alenda be coach angeke isipani yibona.
Yazi anginandaba.
Yeah, whatever phuma kimi.
Anginayo mama mina.
What happened?
I don't know.
So mina mele ngitshela ukuthini coach ke?
Angazi sozabona nawe ukuthi ngitshelani.
You know what my grandmother used to say? Nah, you mama, it's just that she's no longer with you. You know, sometimes I wonder if bekakhona, I mean, lokho bengizoyenza umuntu ongcono.
Whatever you think, but the fact is ushonile nanyeka sabuya.
So bekafana na mamakho?
I don't know. Antomasho njalo.
Yeah, but if bekana le smile sakho bekazoba muhle ne?
Whatever. Anyway, ngiyazibongela. But compliments don't flatter me.
Why?
Because it's too fake. Like everyone, Lerato, you are beautiful, you are sexy, you've got confidence. I mean, I hate that. Hey?
But you are beautiful and you are sexy.
Yeah,
so many bathini.
As unomusa shem.
Mele bathu nomusa.
I mean you.
Oh, no, but I mean it, Joe. Like really, you're very beautiful, Lerato.
Okay, I think you should get to know each other before Ngashologo, know my insecurities, how I feel inside, and you know, then Uguti was just the next thing Uti Chinchi I was beautiful and all that. So I think it's better if we know each other.
Yeah, that makes sense, no?
Yeah.
Alright, fine. So let's do this again. Asicale ngabushadi day yonke yabo. Like saqala ukwazana yena mshayi. Okay, cool. Okay, hi.
Hello.
Joe igama lami Franklin. But bangibiza Frank. Should now ngibiza Frank. Wena bani?
I'm unique, so I'm not gonna call you Franco. Mina ngingularato.
Okay. Ay, kumnandi ukwazi Lerato.
Same here, Franklin.
Yebo kutshela ukuthi umuhle kanjani?
I thought you were about compliments.
Okay, well, Lerato, do you mind if we, get to know each other, like spend time with you and just get to know you?
Why?
Well, because to be honest with you, Joe, I think I'm attracted to you.
I knew this will have a happy ending. Like Romeo and Juliet.
Romeo and Juliet have a happy ending.
Mara Romeo can end up with Juliet, can't he?
Yeah, I can hate him. Who
kills them?
I can't go now because Romeo and Juliet,
Oh, I've seen so many versions of Romeo and Juliet. There was that
Like-
one, yeah, sheep, and then it got like, yeah, Juliet is rich and then Romeo is poor, and then Mary Juliet wants Juliet to marry a rich king.
I can wait a bit. Pizza stallion, sir. When it comes to the cute ka thing.
Jeez, you were great though.
Was I? But
Baby! Who's that?
Kima! Baby, what's making what? Hey, bona ka ukopa tlo ska tswa ka mo ne stele fela ka mo. What? Hey man, ne ke fumigate a mona di roto le ka di bolaya le magotlo.
Manda, who's that?
Hona motho ka mo man. Batho.
Kanye. I always knew you were a snake. Mara I know you lose pent ya go tswa bana ba batho ba bang.
What? Mandla is my boyfriend.
Yes, Manda is my boyfriend wena. And ga lo mbala di kuranteng ngonyana tsena. Ke tla ba di sholo ngonyana tsena.
Mother is the one who's supposed to explain here. So I never put it.
Eric explaining.
Explain.
Rose. Kani. Ay manish. Askisi.
Askisi. No Manda wantlanja. What's again? Yo.
Rose.
No, go to the TV.
Rose. Wait. Calm down, Rose.
Calm down, my foot.
I'm gonna kiss you
Yes,
more.
yes.
Rose, down, Rose.
Yes, Manda. Why? Why out of your research?
No, baby.
I am Limaza, Joe.
Eh.
I am Kawa.
When you two deserve each other, ne? And I've known better boys than you. Sis, you're disgusting when. After my when I disgusting.
Okay, Buena. So you are the guy from the Chama Boy Love Service and Heart Repair. And Buena, sonke lesikhathi amanga kuphela. So umngane wakho beka coach ukuthi umthole.
Yeah, no, bona, Lerato. Sure, you're not coach, but not everything was a lie. Joe, I meant it when I said I love you. I do, Joe, and I will always love you, bona, Lerato. Joe. I mean, look, let me explain it to you. Yes, Ganjan. Joe.
You love me. You know what? You're right. You have nothing better to offer.
No, bona, Lerato. Alerato bona.
I hambi yo fa wena nungphina ungasangisondela.
Lerato. Abantu explain.
Ngoba mina ngeke ngisayenza.
Alirato nyakana yenkhona uhlala ngala manibona. Alirato nyacela.
Let her calm down, man of the
Calm down. Calm down. Mfethu uhlukela ntho tsa hawe jo. Nywe. Mr. Chama boy. Mr. Heart Repairs and Love Services. It's all your fault, man.
A fault yaka?
Yeah.
Yo mona, asina ke lo tle le machirela ka la mfethu.
Mfethu bebazokwazi, bebazoyazi then eventually. I mean, what was I thinking coming to you? Bemile ngazi ukuthi dile ngizokwenzakala man.
Wena, bonam. Inke ska nna mona ke sna cheli in the first place.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
If that's what you're thinking sharp, yeah, ngisafuna next ngawo. Ungasangizamela next, ungasangizamela machero, ungasangikaya ma advice. I don't want anything from you.
Wangala. Vaya man. Samaya man. Sis, ebona. Ngositsa lo tlo tshega dire bona ntato ke pari o tlo le seke thomi ya hae ke ngwanyana. Vaya man. Sis.
Gogo.
Yebo.
Leshani ma.
Akwande baba.
Njani?
Sukile sibuzani na.
Ma khona Lerato.
Ufuna ngibani uLerato baba?
Abekafunwa ngimi ma.
Alright, wenzani ngoLerato?
Ngifuna ukukhuluma naye nke.
Nikhuluma ini baba?
Isistaff nje ma.
Istaff nothi staff ujo ini?
Ngisho indaba zabantu abatsha ma. Kusho ukuthi uLerato kuhle igirlfriend yami manje bengifuna ukumchazela.
Yini? uLerato igirlfriend yakho? Igirlfriend bekuyinrobani baba? Alright baba, kunakinga ningikhaya. Uma bekhaya unesigidi, unesibhuku, unesamboko. Zakulungisela ngendlela ufuna ngakhona.
Engabi ma.
Okay baba, kunakinga jama lapho ngokubizela uLerato yazo. Uyenza uLerato wakho loyo. Yazokusilela umuntu ngawakho man, into asangenelela zokudina. Asisna. Dude, you're going to get Lerato into trouble. You have to go.
Ngifuna ukukhuluma Lerato ngicela umbisi jo.
You don't understand.
Ngiyacela.
My mom is going to kill you.
Ngifuna ukukhuluma naye nje kuphela mina khanya. Ngiyacela ngikhuluma naye kuphela niyafaya.
Wait, I'll tell Lerato to come to you, but for now you have to go.
Okay, sure, umlande ke.
You know what? I'll tell Lerato to come to you, but you have to go. Ukami wena ukwabila. Ukwabi. Ubathela nabangani bakho ngikufunisela abanye nasasa. Damn it.
Uyahlanya mara wena. Siphuku sekutani. Ungizwe ngithi ngifuna ukutana mina empilweni nami. Uyahlanya yini mara ngawo?
Hawu jo.
Ufuna ukukhuluma nami ini manje?
Abe ngifuna explain into eyenzekele lapha jo.
Explain ini ngoba ngitshela ukuthi ungasezi la ekhaya kanini inkinga
yakho. Engikhona uhlala ngasezi ekheni Lerato.
Why?
Uyazi ukuthi ngiyenza noma yini.
Noma yini? Yazi noma ungazidubula anginandaba nawe na Franco yazwa. Noma ungazidubula isibindi sakho lesingiyasizona ukuthi uze la ekhaya bese uzonze izikutana.
So afuna ukukhuluma nami ngoba kwenze njani?
You are not my type.
Oh. I see, enhleka ngitshele ukuthi ama-type akho kanjani ke Lerato. Ilama art avaya ngama-trans yene ngoba mina ngikuthengele etime ngikwenzisa ihludo. Uzongithatha njalo ke. I mean, let's be honest Lerato, if it wasn't for my friend wona bengeke ungibheke nokungibheka jo.
Indaba uzwisisi wena Franco.
Ngenze ngizwisise ke.
Franco. Ike ngokuthi umfana oright. Neduligwala Franco. Wahluleka kungishela last nyana la ubhizi ugijimisana nabangani bakho. Bakushelele mina ngalama game wakhe Snacks. Wakhuluma namanga, what about uRose noKhanyi? Nibahethile ngalamanga wenu Franco. Yazi ngicabangani ngawo?
Cabangani.
Ngicanga ukuthi labafana laba benza izinto wrong. Wazi ukuthi lento le wrong just because I affect and then you do the wrong thing. Inkinga yakho yazi yini Franco? Ukhuluma iqiniso, ngikuthandile shem. Mara ngebhadi bhuti, angengithanda necharacter lengizondawo. Engazi ukuthi lokho kusho ukuthini. Bayibiza ukuthi it's indifference and lokho kusho khona ukuthi you are not the guy that I'm looking for.
Hey, mfethu. Uthubeli nthoso mfethu ke wa tlo quiet mfethu. Next thing we quiet mswela. Wena.
Ngiyamthanda mfethu.
Ah, rata mo rata eng mon. Bona mon. If o tlo etsa so fungwanyana mfethu, tene mo tlogele mfethu. Ke tla ba tlela motho mong hape. Ba tletse banyana ka ntle ka mo mfethu.
Ba tletse.
Ya, man. It's mo lerato wa lona o mona. O tla kra manyana ko ntle datso.
What's it alright mfethu?
Ka enjoy.
No, baningi labo shirika ngaphandle mfethu. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, but akekho kufana noLerato. And that's why kumele ngi-apologize mfethu. No, mfethu asimele mvaya ngomtholo kuLerato. Ese athi ngisheshe ngizobona ne. Ese danki mfethu yomsizile.
Sure. Ha. Ake sithwini lesifana sakhe.
Rose. Hello. No, I'm not at home. I'm in town. Sure.
Ka founela mpotsa re toropong eno mo. Ke toropong mo.
I do not need this right now.
Bona Khanye ne. Nkebe le re ke tswa Mandla o re tshwerele two. I wouldn't have done what I did yesterday. I'm sorry ne. Sorry man.
Hey, it's fine, hey? I understand. It's fine.
I have an idea ne. Why don't we start our own website where we can advise girls on how to get men and how to spot banna ba tshwana le Mandla ba go tloba ba cheating, and then we can even get revenge on Mandla.
Yes.
Yes, that's a
We
good
can
idea.
call it Chama Girl Love Services.
Yes, yeah, that's a good idea.
Revenge.
Oh, that's so sweet. Khazwejana.
Someone. Come on. My new man.
From Mandla to a new man. When you're so quick.
I'm Kanye.
Oh, Mara. That's why we need to start this thing. Ngena. Woo, ngani kuwe? Kanye, nimthatha kumarundulo.
Lochana,
Yebo.
ninjani ma?
Sikhona njani?
Ngisaba uhlala phansi.
Hlala ungahlala.
Bengithi ngizoxolisa ma indaba zayizolo zokuthelana ngamanzi. Ngendlela engene ngayo izinto bengasindlela inohlonipho. Bawuzwisisa ukuthi bengasindlela ami yokudelela. Ngibawa ixolo ngalokho. Naku Rose noKhanye. I'm sorry guys ngendaba kaMandla. I mean bengizazi izinto azenzako but zange ngikhona ukuzijamisa. I guess uLerato bekaqinisile ukuthi ngigwala and I'm kind of weak. Xolisa nakuwe Lerato. Well, if our mind mhlambe singaba abangani because I can see that you're very mature and I guess I need that. Lokho nje.
Umntwana kanabani wena? Ungokwabani baba? Uzokhuluma ngendlela ukhuluma ngakhona nje kwama.
I'm sorry ma. Isongo ngakhuluma.
Awakuzokele umuntu ngokukhulumile. Ngiyathokoza. Amagama akho azokele kamarukami.
Thokoza mina. Ngisale kuhle.
Hamba. Salome Lerato. Awukhipha umngane wakho lo.
Isikole bengisipprepareile yabo. But ngeke ngisale isikhathi esi-right.
Yes, but there's no right time like the present.
Hayi, Mara mele ngipromise into eyi-1 ukuthi mangicede kusisho zongikayikiss.
I'm not promising, but you know what?
What?
You are stupid.
For what?
Coming to my place again.
Yeah.
I gave you 10 points for that. Another 10 points for being a man and apologizing to my friends. 50 points for being stupid. Let me say 50 points for being stupid. For saying good young Tanda in front of my parents like really. So now it's 70 points. Let's see if we can score 30 points.
Aye, so she think really 30 points game man
Just say yes, so we'll see how it goes.
No, pinch I'm mind being in love, Joe, it's magical and stuff like that. And I've been thinking, Joe, since I met you. I mean, what if being in love, falling in love, it's magical, but being in love, it's a choice. Like, it's a decision. I mean, what if you meet someone that you want to live for? You know, someone who got courage to go on. Someone who inspire you, Joe. You know, someone to come and smile. And what if you choose to love this person? I mean, what if we are changed over time? Maybe the way, you know, shining a corner, maybe when this into but you still choose to love them. Because it's a choice, you know, it's a choice that you have to make every day. I mean, I'm like, the way it's a corner, if itando yilelo, I think I found someone. You are that person. Now, again, these moments, Joe, I choose to love you. And I'm not saying I ain't my mistakes. I'm not saying when I get wins my mistakes. But I'm saying I'm willing. And if that's love, then I think I have found that person. I mean, yes, but I don't know anything about love. But what I know is that nobody knows anything about love. What I know is that at time, Joe. Yeah, sashama makeup.
Blazisusa nomgomane.
Hawa, ufuna ini lip gloss?
Yeah, this is romantic.
No, you're gonna look gay.
Oh, ngapha ngikho la sibuya ngakhona ngapha.
Yeah.
All right.
Sichika masini utokama njani?
Okay.
If translate
Ngeke bona uthe okay ne. Waphakamisa uphakamisa umzimba. Uphakamisa hayi umzimba lo. Sokuthi mina ngimhlanga beze sonke.
Or is like this
Yeah,
side?
sokuthi ngeza to waso. Tani ngimi uyombamba sekagcwele. To net so.
Okay. No, it's okay.
Yeah.
I see.
Ngizozovaya kanti nje ufuna ukukhuluma naye nje kuphela futhi explain ukuthi lento ezomanje mina ngikini wo
Para wena. Phuku sekutani. Ungisengithi ngifuna ukutana mina phile nami. Uyahlanya yini mara ngawo? Ufuna ukukhuluma nami yini manje? Noma yini?
And action.
How do you answer this one? Sorry guys.
Cut.
Yeah.
Ngale.
Yeah.
Magari kwa tocha kan mala. Ngaku ngape.
No.
Futhi.
Okay. Izomthwenya later. Uyabona? Ayikli step.
In 3, 2, 1, and action.
I mean, like, who has a date in the bushes anyway? Imagine checking in.
Okay. Let's take that again.
Imagine updating my status. Just checking in as Gangain. Oh, who's gonna like that?
2, 1, and action.
Baby, I love you. It's not even 3 words.
Cut. In 3, 2, 1, and action.
Research! Okay.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1, and action.
Yeah, ngiyambona loyo but fana na this new signing. Lo, umntwana muhle, Joe.
Oh, he closes up then he's like,
Oh,
yes.
all right.
I see now over.
I wait now. I have to now go to those bank.
Yeah, I never practice. Okay, yeah. Let's start here actually, and then you go from there's nothing.